basic mathematical symbol. This column for symbol, here symbol name, this column for meaning or definition, this column for example. Equal, equal sign, equality, example, pi equal to 2 plus 3. Not equal sign, inequality, pi is not greater than, not equal to 4. Strict inequality, greater than, this symbol greater than, so pi is greater than 4. Strict inequality, this symbol less than, this is less than, 4 is less than 5. Inequality greater than or equal to, example, pi is greater than 4. Inequality in symbol name here for this less than or equal to 4 is less than or equal to 5. Parenthesis, calculate expression inside first this one, then multiply with this 3 plus 5 8 into 2 16. So calculate the expression inside the first this one. So that's why first you have to calculate 3 plus 5, then multiply with 2. Brackets, calculate expression inside first. It means first 1 plus 2 3, then 1 plus 5 6, 6 into 3 into 6. This is for multiplication. 6 18. Plus sign, addition, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Minus sign, subtraction, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Plus minus, here plus also is there, minus also is there. Plus minus, both plus and the minus operations. 3 plus or minus, here 5 8 for it plus, both are plus. If deducting minus, then minus 2, because here bigger number side minus is there, that's why here minus sign is there. Minus plus, both minus and plus operations. So 3 minus plus 5 equal to minus 2 and 8. Asterisk multiplication, 2 into 3 6, 2 asterisk 3 6. Times sign multiplication, times sign 2 into 3 is 6. Multiplication dot multiplication, do 2 dot 3 6. Division sign plus, division 6, division divided by 2 equal to 3. Division slash, division 6 by slash 2 equal to 3. Horizontal line, division or fraction, 6 by 2 equal to 3, for example. Modulo, remainder calculation, 7 mod 2 equal to 3. Period dot decimal point, decimal separator 2.56 equal to 2 plus 56 into 100. A power b power exponent 2 power 3 equal to 8. A exponent b caret exponent 2 exponent 3 8. Root a square root square root a dot square root a equal to a. 9 root 9 equal to plus or minus 3. 3 root a cube root, sorry, cube root, what it says, cube root. Cube 3 cube a cube root of a, then save 3 times multiplication, then a. Fourth root a into fourth root a dot fourth root a equal to a. 4 times here 3 times cube root a cube root a cube root a. So here 4 root 16 equal to plus or minus 2. Here in cube root of 8 equal to 2. Answer. Nth root, that is for radical, nth root for n equal to 3, nth root 8 equal to 2. Percent 1%, 1 divided by 100. 10 multiplication with 30 equal to 3. 0 divided 00 per mile. 1 mile, it means 1 divided by 1000 equal to 0.1. 10 mile into 30.3 ppm per million. 1 ppm equal to 1 divide 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 0 1. So 10 ppm into 30 equal to 0.0003. B ppb per billion. 1 ppb equal to 1 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 0 1. So 10 ppb into 30 equal to 3 into 10 power minus 7 gpt per trillion. This is per million, this is per million. Here per trillion 1 ppt equal to 10 power minus 12. 10 ppt into 30 equal to 3 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 10. Geometry symbols. Angle formed by two rays. 1 2. Angle ABC equal to 30 degree. Measured angle, it means measured angle. Angle ABC, we can say measured angle ABC also equal to 30 degree. Spherical angle AOB equal to 30 degree. Right angle equal to 90 degree. Alpha equal to 90 degree. Degree, this is the degree. 110 equal to 360 degree. Alpha equal to 60 degree. This is for arc minute. 1 arc, that is 1 degree equal to 60 arc minute. Alpha equal to 60 degree 59 arc minute. This arc for second, arc second. 1 arc minute equal to 1 minute equal to 60 second. 1 minute equal to 60 second. Alpha equal to 60 degree 59 minute 59 second. You can say alpha equal to 60 degree 59 arc minute 59 arc second. Line, infinite line AB. Line AB, infinite line. Line segment A. Line from point A to point B. Ray. Line that start from point A. Ray AB. Line that start from point A. Arc. Arc AB. Arc from point A to point B. Arc AB equal to 60 degree. Perpendicular lines 90 degree angle. AC line segment perpendicular to BC line segment. Parallel lines. AB line segment parallel to CD line segment. Concurrent to equivalence of geometric shapes and size. Triangle ABC concurrent to triangle XYZ. Equivalence of geometric shapes and size. This is for similarity. Same shapes, not same size. Angle triangle ABC. Similarity triangle XYZ. Triangle right angle triangle shape. Triangle ABC concurrent to triangle ABCD. Sorry, BCD. Triangle ABC concurrent to triangle BCD. Distance between points X and Y, mod X minus Y. Distance between points X and Y, mod X minus Y equal to 5. Pi constant. Pi 3.141592654 is the ratio between the circumference and the diameter of a circle. C equal to pi dot D, pi D equal to 2 pi r. C equal to pi d equal to 2 pi r. Radians angle unit 360 degree equal to 2 by rad. Grades angle unit 360 degree equal to 400 grade. Algebra symbols. X variable, unknown value to find. When 2x equal to 4, then x equal to 2. Equivalence identical to triangle equal by definition. Colon equals by definition. Approximately equal. Weak approximation 10. Approximation to 10. Approximately equal. Approximation equal. Sign of 0.01 approximately equal to 0.01. Proportional to f of x proportional to g of x. Lemniscate infinity symbol. This is infinity symbol already we know solved. Much less than double. Double less than is having here double 2 times. 1 is